Welcome to this tutorial about exporting Jira Product Discovery ideas to PDF documents with Better PDF Exporter. To export a list of ideas, first collect them in Advanced Search. Prepare all ideas in a discovery project or apply any filters for exporting a subset of ideas. When you are ready, open the Export menu provided by Better PDF Exporter. Select the Issue List Export option. Your ideas are exported into a nicely formatted list in a PDF document. You can also export just a single idea. Select the one you want to export and choose the PDF export option. The PDF document contains all product discovery-related custom fields, along with the rest of the issue details. Watch the next tutorial video to learn more or start a free trial today.